Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shishma Sarila, consulting homeopath at Fiticus Homeopathy. Now we will see what are the consequences of this high cortisol rise or this chronic stress as such. The first and foremost is we are dividing these into physical, mental, reproductive and other health related issues. What happens in your physical aspect? You start accumulating fat, you become obese, your lipid level is risen, hyperlipidemia will be there, grade 1 fatty liver can be perceived, chronic stress can be perceived, you have high bursts of energy along with a very low sugar level. Sometimes the sugar level drops so low that you feel like sweating, you feel sweaty, and then you just feel dizzy, you have vertigo symptoms, and then after that, soon after eating again you feel high. This fluctuations also will happen. And apart from all of these symptoms, you will be having headaches, as we have already discussed, insomnia. You will not be feeling sleepy during the night, and you will sleep it all throughout the day. You can have dry mouth with small ulcers in it, where there is riboflavin deficiency also, because your absorption capability for the nutrients decreases. You'll have fatigue, you'll have muscle tension, especially note down that people who are suffering from chronic stress will have muscle tension, especially in the neck area and also in the lower lumbar region. So that is, involuntarily we clench these muscles, we strain these muscles whenever we are in stress. That is why even people who are younger in age develop the cervical spondylitis if they are under chronic stress. Okay. And then skin will also start reacting in a very bad manner, where your Ig levels, your eosinophils are increased even to a normal dust. Even when you're starting to pet your pets also, that can also cause a rash in your body. And then your digestive system is always upset. You can experience symptoms like irritable bowel syndrome. You can experience symptoms like acute gastritis, gastroesophageal reflux disease, or GERD as such. Your BP is high and heart palpitations are continuously there, and you can experience either migraine type of headache, tension headaches, or even headaches due to cervical spondylosis. These are the physical symptoms that you will be experiencing. Apart from that, you will be experiencing mental symptoms like you will have days where you're very happy, or hours where you're very happy, followed by depression, followed by weeping, brooding, and then again it will again you feel like you don't care anybody in this world, and then again you will go, this cycle will go on again, from feeling like I don't care about anyone to an anxiety phase, from the anxiety phase to the happy phase to the weeping, the brooding phase, and this cycle will continue. There is too much of mood alterations during this chronic stress. Even something which is not supposed to will hurt you because of your hormones. And then we have this reproductive issues. Remember, cortisol will cause a difference or disruption in the hormonal balance of the even in the females as well as in the males. In the females, how it is causing we will be seeing in the next slide, but just remember that it can cause fibroids, new formation of fibroids, or increase in number of fibroids, or increase in size of the fibroids. Along with that, it can cause irregular periods, or too much of period, that is too much of flow in the period, metorrhagia, that is period in between two periods also. So these are the reproductive issues, and also your fertility rate can be decreased. Other health issues like grade 1 fatty liver, or you can experience hypertension, you can experience diabetes mellitus. All of these are the symptoms of stress. If you're someone who is experiencing fibroids or chronic stress, infertility issues, male and female infertility issues, abortions or miscarriages, if you're someone who's experiencing bulky uterus, if you're someone who's experiencing endometriosis, adenomyosis, dysmenorrhea, or polycystic ovaries, remember Fiticus Homeopathy is the answer. Here we have two kinds of consultation. One is online and another one is offline consultation. If you're someone who's staying near the nearest branch of Fiticus, you can come and contact us offline or in person. If you're someone who's staying far away from us, you can contact us online. We have two options in online. One is the audio consultation option and one is the video consultation option. After the case taking is done, if we need any further investigations, we will let you know, and you can share the investigations which you have already done to us. And after this whole procedure, especially to the online clients, medicines will be door delivered to you. If you're staying in India, it can take 3 to 4 business days. If you're staying in USA, it can take 3 to 5 business days, and if you're staying elsewhere across the globe, it can take 4 to 8 business days for our medicines to reach your doorstep. If you want to contact us, you can call us on this number, WhatsApp us, or ping us, or message us on this number. If you want to know more about Fiticus Homeopathy, you can check our website www.fiticus.com. If you're someone who's suffering from fibroids or infertility issues, male or female infertility issues, miscarriages, or if someone who's suffering from bulky uterus, endometriosis, adenomyosis, or dysmenorrhea, or any other female reproductive organ issue diseases. You have seen that how homeopathy is much more helpful than allopathy in this kind of diseases. And now we are going to discuss why Fideicus homeopathy is much better than other homeopathic institutions or other homeopathic doctors. Because Fideicus homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. Here we are already experiencing good success rates in treatment of male and female reproductive organ diseases. Apart from that, the transparent treatment, there is no gray area between the patient and the doctor. The prognosis will be clearly explained to you. And the personal care here at Fideicus is top notch. Any sort of queries or questions that you have, we will be busting all of that and educating you on that. If you want to choose health, if you want to choose cure, choose Fideicus homeopathy. Thank you.